Class 2 EVS. Good morning, children. Today's topic is Growth of My Body. Chapter 4. In this lesson, you will learn about we all grow, growth in animals and plants. Facts. Children, let us learn about how we all grow. Look on the pictures given below. Can you see the pictures from a small baby to a young boy, then a teenager, adult, and an old man? He is a baby boy. Just see the picture below. He cannot do anything on his own. Children, can a baby do his work on his own? No, he cannot. He needs somebody's help. So let us find out. His mother takes care of all his needs. So whatever he wants, whatever a baby wants, his mother or father takes care of him. After a few years, he grows as a young boy. Now after a baby, can you see a picture of a boy? Yes, so now he is becoming bigger. Okay. He then does most of his work himself. Now this young boy can do work of his own, like he can brush his teeth, he can take bath, he can eat, he can run, he can walk, okay, but a baby cannot. He will be a teenager after some years. Then this young boy will become a teenager after few years. Like when you are in UKG class, then you become little bigger, you go to class 1, then you become more bigger, you go to class 2, then you become more bigger, then you go to class 3, and so on. So year by year you develop. Okay? Then he will become an adult. What he will become after a teenager? An adult, yes. Now he can also take care of others. So after becoming an adult, like your father, mother, okay, so he will take care of other people also, like your father take care of you and your brother and your sisters and your mother and your grandparents, okay. After many years he will grow old. Then after few years your father will become like your grandfather. He will also become old like him. His body will become weak, and when he will be like your grandparents, their body become weak. He will then have special needs. Then he has to take more care from the other people, right? Let us find out how growth in animals and plants have. Okay? Look into this picture. Here is a picture of adult deer and young deer. Baby of a deer. Can you see here? Yes. All living things grow. I have already told you that all living things grow slowly. Like you as a baby, you grow as a boy, then a teenager, then an adult, then a grandparent, okay. So just like that, animals also grow slowly. Babies of animals grow and become big animals. When animals' babies are small, they become big after few months or few years. Okay. Now see how the plants grow. Seeds germinate and grow into young plants. Can you see the picture? Yes, there is a seed, then it becomes, when we give water and little sunlight is there, that seed will grow into a small plant, then it become a big plant. Okay. So when you germinate a seed, it will grow into a plant or a tree. Now children, let us learn some facts. Age of a tree can be found out by counting the rings on its tree trunk. So when you cut down a tree, so it becomes some ring inside that tree, and through those rings you can find out how old that tree is. Okay. Trees has its own sound. Yes, trees can also listen. They have their own vibrating sounds. Okay. Trees can feel the pain, stress and happiness like human beings. So, like us, they can also feel happiness and sadness. Okay. Remember this. Let us summarize this lesson. All living things grow. Baby grows into a man. Baby animal grows into a big animal. Seed grows into a plant. I hope you have understood the lesson, how a baby grows into a man and how a baby animal grows into a big animal and how a small seed grows into a plant or a tree. Now let us do some exercises. Children, you have to do this in your classwork copy. Answer the following questions. Write the stages of growth from a baby to an old man. So you have to write it step by step. Answer is baby boy, young boy, teenager, adult and old man. So these are all the stages of growth of a human. Question number 2. Who takes care of a baby? Answer is mother takes care of a baby. Question number 3. How do a young plant grow? Answer is seed germinate and grow into young plants. Now part 2 is fill in the blanks. First is you should take care of your grandfather because he is old and weak. 2. Water your plants because they need it for growth. Third part is true and false. An adult can take care of others. True. We are born as adult. False. We are born as baby. not an adult. Okay, remember this. All living things grow true. A young boy becomes old man. False. After a young boy, a teenager stage will be there, not an old man stage. Okay, remember this. Body of old person becomes weak. True. So write down in the copy very neatly and learn it. Now the homework part. You have to do in your homework copy. Question number 1. Write the details of your birth. You have to write the date of your birth, when you were born. Then in which month you were born, which year you were born, and in which place you were born. So you have to write all these 4 things. Question number 2. Find out and write 5 big animals with their young ones. You have to make a column of big animals and young animals. In the chapter you have seen the picture of big animal as deer, so write it deer, and then in the young animals you have to write young deer. In English notebook or in any English book or EVS book you have learned before, just find out, or in the GK book you can find out. From there you write the 5 big animals name and their young animals name. Okay. Thank you.